Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, everybody, and we're in Pitlochry still. We stopped here last night, so we're back. We've just had a little moment, haven't we?
Yeah.
And we'll see where we get to, but this is the first look.
Oh, nice. Noisy.
Oh, the band is setting up. It's such a shame the mist is rolling because the views are spectacular up and down
They are.
to the hills, but you just can't quite see it at the moment. A couple of kilts, braver than me today. Come on in. Yeah, it's nice.
I like that one. It's nice, this one.
Are you happy there?
Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pitlochry again for our street party, and may I say a Happy New Year to each and every one of you.
Happy New Year.
I'll ask other people until we get around out there. Where are you from, sir? St Andrews, lovely. There we are. Where are you from? Northern Ireland, by Joe. Nice to see you. By Joe. You're very welcome. Are you from here? Clyde Bank in Glasgow, eh? There's other people here from Glasgow. Do you all come with the same bus? No. From the Netherlands. Oh, well, how about that? Lovely. Super. Now.
Would you like a pizza?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll get one in a bit, okay? Do you want to have a go at the dancing?
No.
No?
Your other partner, turn. Turn your first partner, and your second partner, and your first partner, and run, then you'll get round. Advance. 1, 2, 3. Through there. Start again.
We got chips and Max has got pizza cooking in the little cafe there, the bakery. The chips are lovely, aren't they? And this mulled wine.
Oh, look your socks off.
My hat's all squiffy. I look like I've
You're a
done the
bit
mulled
squiffy
wine.
after that mulled wine.
Oh my goodness. I said to the lady in the chippy, crikey, I got a mulled wine, but there's more in it than wine. She said there will be. I was like, oh right. It's like rocket fuel.
I couldn't drink mine, so he's had 2.
I've had 2, I've had 2. Woo! I'll be dancing in a minute.
Didn't dance in the cave naked. Come on.
We don't normally eat chippy, do we? We had one in Wales. And we've just had one now.
Yeah, and that
it was really lovely.
a huge portion. We won't eat for a week now.
No, Maximus had it. Well, you might not. I'll be eating in 10 minutes. But Maximus had a pizza, didn't you? How was your pizza? Good.
I get germs.
You want to go and look at the church with Robot?
Yes, I
So
get
we're walking
germs.
up to the church.
I get germs.
Yes, you sneeze. You need to cover yourself up when you sneeze.
I don't need to cover my mouth,
And you do need to cover your mouth when you sneeze.
but I don't need to cover my mouth.
So we're just leaving. We've been down the way for about an hour, haven't we, at the festival? The dancing
been
continues
lovely.
on.
Germs.
We're just going to have a look at the church, and Maximus wants to go back to the van, don't you, boy? Excuse me, where's Robot?
This one has a memory.
No, it's full again now. Empty again. Yeah, the temperature's definitely dropping with that mist coming in.
It's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. It's bitey.
fresh.
My
I
legs
like
are
it.
just a bit chilly in jeans.
Oh, well, this coat covers most of my leg. Oh, look at the birds.
Little birdies everywhere. Jeans aren't really the warmest thing to walk
No,
around
these
in.
are thermal leggings I've got, and I've got a thermal top underneath my coat.
There we go. Pitlochry Church.
Are we allowed in?
I don't know if it's open today or not. It may not be because the... Are we closed?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I think so.
Yeah, closed.
You try it. I mean,
Oh no, I don't want to be seen to be trying to break into a church. No, we're definitely locked up there, Shell.
right.
No, it's not broken, it's just closed.
Let's have a
It's
look
shame,
round
isn't
here.
it?
Next church.
You like looking around churches,
Next
don't you?
churches.
I don't like church for me, little.
Not really. I like churches too.
It's such a shame the mist has come down because I bet the view from here, I mean the view from down in the town before was lovely, but you can see out over all the old town here. All the old stone buildings.
Get Robot. He
please.
can't stay
He can't
there.
stay there.
Poor Robot.
Get Robot.
He's got many more adventures to go on.
Quick, go and get him.
No.
Go and get him.
No.
Go and get Robot. Go on.
A little boy will pinch him, or a little girl.
Right, we can't go to the shop and get treats if you've not got Robot.
I want treats.
Well, you best get Robot.
No, I don't want to get
Poor Robot.
It's a nice tree.
It is. Witch's fingers.
Yeah.
That's why you like it, isn't it?
Yeah. Once I've got witch's fingers, I'd say I've got sausage fingers at the
Sausage
moment.
fingers.
They're very, very swollen.
They are quite swollen, aren't they, with the cold?
Yeah.
I don't think we've mentioned it before, but Shell has fibromyalgia, don't you?
Yeah, it's a chronic health condition.
So some days we can get out and do things, and some days we just don't get out and do
No.
a lot, really.
No.
Robot can't stay there.
Go and get Robot. Go and get Robot. Go on.
Go on, go and get Robot.
Why going?
Oh, Maximus Taylor.
Oh,
Go and get Robot.
no.
Get him. We
No.
can't go to the shop and get treats and you not got Robot. It's a shame we can't just nip through into the car park there, isn't it? He's had enough now, hasn't he?
Yeah, he's done very well, to be fair.
He has. He's done an hour with the promise of food and a can of pop.
Bribery always works.
And Robot, after his little incident earlier on, we've done all right, but I think that's as much as we're getting out of him today, isn't it?
Yeah. Don't want to push it.
Are you right now? Have you got your squishies?
I've got
Squishies
Robot.
done. Mummy's ended up carrying Robot. What are the chances of that then? We definitely got to Chippy at right time as well.
We did. We did.
Chocker. Everyone's hungry now after all the dancing.
Yeah. Careful, Max.
Love it. Yeah, let's go. Right, he wants to go, so we're going. We're getting his song out. Oh, what a cracking day. Only you can hear it, but we're just walking back to the van now, and it sounds like the pipe band are out again. I mean, the band were really good, weren't they? But the pipe band was really impressive, wasn't it?
Yeah, really.
When you've got them together in harmony
With the
with the drums as well.
Yeah.
And you can feel it as well. You can in your bones,
Yeah.
basically beating
Yeah.
through you. It's
It's special.
yeah, it's impressive. I'm glad we came.
Yeah, definitely. I'll come again. Definitely come again.
Definitely.
Maybe next year, hey?
Maybe we'll see where we get to, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, thanks to Keith
Keith and Alicia
Yeah.
from Liverpool.
for saying come down, because we probably wouldn't have found it this year. Yeah, they're definitely back out. You can hear the drums now as well. Anyway, we're going to the tunnel and Freya will be happy to see us. Yeah, that mulled wine was I think so.
I can drink mine either too. But yeah, if you're not a hardened drinker, don't try the red
Try the red,
wine
yeah.
here because Christ will blow your socks off.